Hello everybody, my name is Reza and welcome to this course, Design Custom GSM and Arduino Board in Altium Designer. In this course we are going to design a custom IoT industrial GSM board and Arduino in Altium Designer. We use SIM800C module from SIMCom company as our GSM module and 18 mega 328p SMD version for Arduino as our MCU in this board. We don't use any module in this board and we are going to design every section from scratch on our custom schematic based on datasheet guidelines. This course is suitable for beginner to intermediate level and we are going to teach you from opening Altium Designer to send board for fabrication. Let's have an overview and see what we are going to learn. In this course, we will learn how to draw schematic and PCB layout configuration for GSM module like power supply design, GSM antenna, Bluetooth antenna, SIM card and indicator LEDs. We will learn design DC to DC switching converter for GSM module and PCB layout consideration. Design custom schematic based on 18 mega 328p microcontroller and how to burn Arduino bootloader. Also, we will learn EMC and EMI consideration for PCB layout. How to draw a schematic and make footprint for components and make your own Altium library. Our custom board will include DC to DC converter, 5V linear voltage regulator, DHT22 temperature and humidity sensor, keypad, time and date IC, external EEPROM, SIM800C GSM module, 18 mega 328p SMD version MCU, 1.3-inch OLED display and 3 relays. SIM800C is a complete quad-band GSM GPRS solution in a SMT type, which can be embedded in the customer application. SIM800C supports quad-band 850, 900, 1800 and 1900 MHz. It can transmit voice, SMS and data information with low power consumption. Let's take a look at SIM800C features. SIM800C has general features like control via AT commands, supply voltage range from 3.4 to 4.4 volts, low power consumption, fast operation temperature, maximum 85.6 kilobits per second downlink or uplink speed, USSD, text and PDU mode for SMS and Bluetooth. It also has some software features like embedded TCP or UDP protocol, FTP or HTTP, MMS, POP3 or SMTP, DTMF, jamming detection, and Bluetooth version 3. It has some interfaces like analog audio interface, RTC backup, USB interface, serial interface, interface to external 3V or 1.8V SIM card, ADC, GSM antenna pad, and Bluetooth antenna pad. I am Reza Khatiri. I work as an electronics hardware design engineer for 3 past years. I have done many successful projects like SIM800C driver board, a smart relays board, data center data logger, and a smart gardening device. I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching. I will see you in class.